In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of all web sessions in Gmail. Managing your online security is essential, and sometimes you might find yourself logged into your Gmail account on multiple devices or browsers. Perhaps you've used someone else's computer or logged in at work and simply forgot to log out. Worry not, because I'm here to guide you through the process of signing out of all your Gmail web sessions. This process is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, we want to go to Google's website. Open up your web browser and head to google.com. The website serves as the gateway to all Google services, including your Gmail account. Once you're on this page, you'll notice the sign in button in the top right corner. Click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can log in with your Gmail credentials. If you aren't signed in already, simply enter your email and password, then proceed. After successfully signing in, you'll be redirected to the Google homepage. Now click on the Gmail link located at the top of the page. This action will take you directly to your Gmail dashboard, the hub of all your email activities. Here you can see your inbox, sent mail, drafts, and more. Once on your Gmail dashboard, let's focus on the bottom right corner of the page. You'll find a small section labeled Last Account Activity. It's a handy feature that often goes unnoticed but provides crucial security oversight. Click on the details link beneath Last Account Activity. This section shows you all the active sessions your Gmail account is associated with. Now that you're in the Account Activity window, you'll see a list of sessions, including the location and the type of device used for each session. This can provide valuable insight into any suspicious activity. To ensure your account is secure, scroll through this page and at the bottom, click on the button labeled Sign Out of All Other Web Sessions. With this step, you effectively log out of all devices except the one you're currently using. It gives you peace of mind knowing that any unverified or forgotten session you may have on another device is now terminated. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your Gmail sessions. By keeping an eye on your account activity and signing out of unused sessions, you help protect your privacy and keep potential unauthorized access at bay. Thanks for watching, and remember, staying vigilant with your online security keeps your information safe. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more useful tutorials on maintaining a secure digital life.